is clear. Copy that, Echo. Proceed with caution. 10-4.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Singh here with Unbox with Singhs. And I've got a pretty cool unboxing here. We've got the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is the Sierra blue color, which is, I'm gonna say it's my favorite color out of the lineup this year. This one seems to be the color that they're most pushing, so it's their most important color, I wanna call it. So this is the Pro Max. I've also got the leather wallet here. This is the golden brown. The other ones I felt weren't gonna go as well with my Sierra blue iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. So as usual, Apple's got pretty good presentation. They've got the pull tab here. No need for a knife. Put those over to the side. Slide that off. That was nice and easy. And this color looks absolutely amazing. It's extremely heavy. That's something that I can just feel right off the bat. Usually, like I think this might even be heavier than the Ultra. Usually people go for phones that are lighter and that kind of stuff, but I've always preferred the heavier phones, and this is no different. We've got a SIM ejector tool in here. We've got one sticker and a couple of other just pages of stuff. So we've also got a comparison phone here. I'm actually going to compare last year's model of blue, which is right here. So this one's the 12 Pro versus the 13 Pro Max. So there's a pretty big size difference, as you can see here. The color, I think I prefer the darker color of last year's model, but you know what, the Sierra blue here this year is very nice. There's definitely bigger cameras on the new one, on the 13 Pro Max. This one's not a camera slouch though, so if you're still looking for an iPhone or something, the iPhone 12 Pros are excellent. The only other thing in this box is the charge cable, which, I mean, based on what Apple says, they're trying to help the environment and that kind of stuff, but they used to send USB-A chargers. This is a USB-C plug on the other side. So you're gonna have to get a new one anyways if you've got an older iPhone. So something to think about there, Apple. I don't think you're helping the environment too much with that. Plus, it's kind of funny because I made one order. They shipped me a case before I even got the phone. So also not very environmentally friendly. Let's open this. Let's take off the screen cover here. I tried to do that close to the mic so that you guys can enjoy some of that ASMR. Screen, I've heard such excellent things about it. This is actually the first time that I'm going to be looking at it, so I'm really excited about that. Actually, while that's starting up, I'm gonna open up this wallet as well. I've been excited about having the wallet. This is the MagSafe one. I like the idea of the MagSafe because I think it's nice to be able to have a couple of cards that just kind of go with you. Well, that gave me some trouble. As usual, I've always have to have something that screws up while I'm doing an unboxing, but you know, wouldn't be a Unbox with Singhs if I didn't do that. We got some random paperwork here that basically talks about medical device interference. So I guess the magnets are strong enough to bother certain people's medical devices. I guess that's something important they've got to discuss with people. I do like the system. You've got the push up here for your thumb. So if you got a card in there, you just push it up. It doesn't seem to want to slide that up. There we go. So it's pretty cool the way it works. It also has the RFID protection. I like that because that's something I think that's important to have. The magnet seems to be a little bit stronger than it was last year, so I really enjoy that too. So we've got this started up now. We'll discuss the screen and stuff more in person. More in the review. So I'm looking at this notch and it's got me kind of flustered. That's kind of why I'm mincing my words here a little bit, but I do like that the notch is smaller. So here, you know what? I'm gonna see if I can try to get that on screen for you guys. So there's the difference between the notches. Oh, look at that. It says set up new iPhone. We'll stop that. So here it is as a comparison. So the notch is definitely smaller. I do definitely see that there's a bit of a difference. Apple's calling it a 20% difference. Yeah, the notch is definitely smaller. The other thing is they've pushed the microphone that's in here right up to the top. The speaker that's in here right up to the top. So now you're going to be taking your phone calls. You have to hold it right to the edge, like up to the very top. Before you used to have to bring it down to like right here. So when you're making phone calls, that's probably going to be a slight adjustment, but probably not too bad. Especially if you're coming from an Android, there will be no difference because all Androids have had their speakers up at the top here, right into the bezel. So nice to see that Apple did that just to make the notch a little bit smaller. I'm definitely excited about that. That's actually it. This unboxing is very, very simple. Not a lot of stuff in the box, not a whole lot of stuff to discuss. Some of the things that we have talked about are, you know, just basically aesthetics. Color's awesome. This part is I believe aluminum, and it is very, very fingerprinty. So as I've been doing that, the whole thing has a bunch of fingerprints on it. So easily fixable when you have a case on it. The back, definitely no fingerprints. I do love this frosted glass that they've got going on. I am digging the size of these massive cameras. LiDAR sensor and stuff is still there. Well, I'm excited to take this for a test drive. This will be my main phone as of the end of this video. I'm going to stick my SIM card into it right away. I'm also going to put a couple of cards into this Apple Wallet to make sure to see how I enjoy using that. But yeah, please stay tuned as we will have a review coming for you within the next few weeks. I hope. We've been kind of slow getting out some content, just been busy with a bunch of stuff. So definitely please like, share, subscribe. If you've got any questions, comments, or anything like that, leave them in the comments down below. We will do our best to get back to you. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.